In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the standard deviation indicator on TradingView. Whether you're new to trading or seeking to refine your technical analysis skills, understanding how to harness this tool can significantly enhance your trading strategy. To begin, you'll need to open your chart on TradingView. You can do this by visiting their website or launching the app. Once you're on your chart, direct your attention to the top menu and locate the indicators icon, which resembles a beaker. Clicking this will open a search bar where you can find specific indicators. In that search bar, type standard deviation or simply STDEV and choose it from the results to add it seamlessly to your chart. Once the standard deviation indicator appears, you'll notice it overlays your chart with bands that wrap around a central price line. These bands are more than just visual aids. They offer crucial insights into market behavior. At their core, the bands reflect market volatility. When the bands widen, it's a sign that the market is experiencing higher volatility. Conversely, narrower bands suggest a period of reduced volatility. Next, let's look at how you can use these bands to potentially identify price reversals. When the price moves close to or touches these outer bands, it might signal that an asset is either overbought or oversold. This often hints at a potential reversal in price movement, presenting an opportunity for traders to anticipate and act on these price shifts. You can also use the outer levels of the standard deviation bands to set price targets. This approach is particularly useful if you're looking to scale out of a trade. These levels can serve as indicators of significant resistance or support, helping you decide where to exit part or all of your position. Moreover, the standard deviation indicator doesn't need to work alone. By combining it with other analytical tools, you increase your trading strategy's robustness. One popular combination is to use it alongside the Fibonacci retracement tool. This pairing can offer more confluence in predicting where the price might change direction following a significant price movement. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to tailor the indicator settings according to your preferences. In the settings menu, you can adjust the length of the look-back period, change the visual style and colors, and even set custom levels for more personalized insights. Let's explore an example use case focusing on volatility analysis. Observe how the bands expand and contract. This pattern reveals periods of high and low market volatility. Also, pay attention to potential entry and exit points, as the price may often bounce off the bands or fade upon approaching them. These observations can reveal trading opportunities. Additionally, placing stop-loss orders slightly beyond the typical range of price deviation is advisable to prevent being prematurely stopped out due to normal market fluctuations. In conclusion, the standard deviation indicator is a versatile tool that, with practice, can greatly enhance your analysis and decision-making process in trading on TradingView.